All right, our first stop for the day. Goblin Valley State Park. All right, here we are. We're just walking in some dirt. Oh, no, we're not. We're in the land of the goblins. State Park. Look at that coolness. I'm gonna have a hernia. Hey, look, that's like a stepping stone. You see that?
Oh, yeah. It's like stepping stone.
Okay, I stepped on one. Oh.
Here, stay there.
Two.
Stay there.
Okay, hold on. Three.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going for it. Up the hill we go. We're going for it! This is scary. No way, Jose. Running would be worse. Oh, tippy toes. Tippy toes. Tippy toes. Tippy toes. Come here. There you go. There's a treat for you. Alright, so we decided to come to Arches for the sunset. And I've already seen a lot of awesome stuff on this trip, but this place, if you haven't been here, this is ridiculous. This is crazy. These structures are, this is mind-boggling. I've seen pictures of it, and just like anything else, anytime you see pictures, it just doesn't do it justice. So take a look at this. Unbelievable. Here's a view from inside our car. We'll just pop this right on out of here. And bam. Alright, so what you see here is Balanced Rock, is the name of it. And as you can see, it basically looks like a rock that's balancing on top of another rock. Alright, so now we're at a place called The Windows. And this is pretty cool. You can actually hike up to it. And it's got these holes right in the rock, as you can see there. So you can actually go up there and stand up there and take a photo.
Denise wants to ride.
Hey, excuse me. Do you need a ride?
Can I get a ride?
Where you heading?
Wherever you're taking
We
us.
just got off Arches, took some photos, and Kim's not very happy because they don't allow pets.
Well, I stayed down here with baby girl.
The national parks just are discriminated against our beautiful dog. She wouldn't have been
Not
able
my
to.
pet, she's my child.
She wouldn't have been able to make it anyway, if we have to be honest with ourselves. That's a really cool photo, right? Look at that.
Yeah, look at that. Mom, turn around. Come on. What? Look at the color now. Oh, God.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
How come
See how it says, hey, that's your face.
it's not upside down?
Hey, that's my face.
Oh, it's recording too.
Okay, so I am filling up Daisy's favorite thing in the whole world, which is this little treat ball. We put these little liver treats in there, and she just goes psycho for this thing. Sometimes if we can't get her to eat, we'll give her a little ball to get her appetite up. Good thing is it gives her something to do. It keeps her occupied. It's like a little game. Oh, there you go. Good job. So we're taking a quick walk, basically just right across the street. There's the Green River, and they've got a walking trail there, which is pretty cool. So out across the street from the KOA, you have a walking path for the Green River.
Fire's going out, Jay.
Oh yeah, no it's not. It's still burning good. It's hot too.
Put some more in it.
Feeling hot, hot, hot.
Get it going.
I had to tell people that we have had campfires.
Yep.
Because you can't have a RV travel vlog without campfires, right? Because people would think you guys aren't really camping.
No, we've only taken pictures. We haven't taken video.
But we have actually done it.
You gotta watch my dad try to.
Cut his hand off. Do it. Come on, Dick.
I don't know. Look at that.
That thing is so.
Oh! Alright, so we're now in Canyonlands. And the very first view you come to is this. This place is just incredible. This is the Green River overlook. And as you can see, that is majestic. I mean, that is incredible. Like I was mentioning a few minutes ago, every time we go somewhere new, it's just another magnificent view. It's unbelievable. Okay, so Kim, Dick, and Patty are at the Green River overlook. Me and Daisy are just kicking it here in the truck. Because unfortunately, like we mentioned before, national parks won't allow you to bring your dog. Which is funny because this overlook is literally 50 feet away. And instead of letting you bring your dog, they ban dogs. If you do have dogs, you can bring them and they can walk around off the trail, which is even weirder, but you just can't bring them on the trail. So keep that in mind if you come to a national park and you have dogs. Right?
Yeah.
So Canyonlands, and this is the grand view.
Yeah.
The Mac Daddy of our trip, I guess. We've already done pretty much every park. So this is already looking pretty epic.
Insane.
And these gnats are epic as well. Oh my gosh, these things are just gonna eat me alive. Alright, we're back here at Dead Horse Point for the second time. We're bringing the in-laws here to see the views. And Kim and her father got ice cream cones.
And Jason ate half of it.
That's so delicious. Here they come down from their little walk. There's a little path up here. You can walk up and see a little 360 view. In fact, I think I showed it a little bit earlier in the video. And if you get here a little bit earlier, you don't deal with these crowds. We were here 6 a.m. when they opened and we were the only people in the park. So if you can get up early and do it, my recommendation is come early or come late. Do not come in the middle of the day. Pictures aren't going to be as good and you're going to have to deal with people and lots of people. So it's a little warm on Daisy's feet. It's only about 65 today, but fortunately the sun is beating down on the concrete, so all these state parks, everything is pretty much either gravel or hot pavement. So found her a little shady spot so she could do some sniffing around while everybody else checks out the views. Are you hot? Are you hot, dog? Huh? Are you gonna put your nose right up to it? What are you looking at?